Hi everybody, my name is LaShonda. I have been natural since November of 2016. How I transitioned from having a relaxer, I had a relaxer for years, and then I had my hair braided. I'd gone on a trip and I ended up just leaving the braids in. My hair had been braided for over a year and I decided I'm gonna go natural. I am currently satisfied with the length of my hair. However, I would like for the sides to be more fuller, and I want a literal natural look. As you can see, my hair is blow dried, and I am going to do my best not to blow dry it because I want a particular look. So here I am today, and I really am excited about my new look. So we're gonna see. The hair bakery experience has been absolutely wonderful. The first thing that I noticed when the product was put in my hair was the beautiful smell. I really like the lemon meringue and I like the coconut. In terms of my hair, when you put on what I would consider a pre-conditioner or a pre-shampoo, when you put that in my hair and I was rubbing through my hair still felt the same. However, but when I actually used this shampoo, I did feel like it was definitely soft. And then when you put on the cream and the detangler, OMG. OMG, my hair felt wonderful. It did. I mean, oh my God, it felt really great. And so, of course, it was twisted, and after the dryer, this is the result. I'm extremely happy with it. I obviously have some products and will definitely let other people know.